How you going, guys? Hope you're doing well and you're ready for another quick math lesson. Today we're going to look at how to expand binomial products, but we're going to look at how to do it quickly without having to do FOIL every single time. So if you haven't done any of these before, please check out my last video because it does go into what we're trying to achieve, but this is just a little shortcut. There is just a little bit of a warning here, okay? So we're not allowed to do this technique if we have a non-monic term. So what that means is that if a term is monic, it's just the letters without anything in front of it. Okay, so an example down here is X is a monic term. It's by itself. Kind of like a mono on a bike or a monobrow means one of, okay? This means there's only one X. So anything that's non-monic has a number in front of it. So 2X, 3X, minus X all have numbers in front of it. So we're just going to do this first one with the FOIL, and then we're going to work backwards and see if there's any kind of pattern recognition that we can see to make this process a little bit easier. So this one we've got X times X is X squared plus X times 5, which is 5X. Then we're doing our inside, so 3 times X is plus 3X. And then 3 times 5 is plus 15. When we simplify this down, we've got X squared plus 8X plus 15. So the pattern we've got to look for is how are these numbers related? So how is this 8X, 15X related to the 3 and the 5 from the question? And you might be able to see it straight away. So this middle term is always just the addition or the sum of both numbers. So the 8 comes from 3 and 5. So 3 plus 5 makes that 8. Then we just add an X on it. And the 15 is the product or the multiplication of these two. So once we see that, we can do these questions in just one step really, really fast. So down here where we've got X minus 4, X plus 2, we know that the first term is going to be X squared because it always is. And the second term is going to be the sum of minus 4 and 2. Minus 4 plus 2 is equal to minus 2. And we're going to throw that X on as well. Then the last number has to be the multiplication of these two. So minus 4 times positive 2 is minus 8. We're just going to check that that was correct. Okay, so that's X squared, doing these ones, plus 2X, minus 4X, minus 8, which becomes exactly what we thought. So if you can do this in one step, it's going to save you heaps of time, and it's actually going to be a pretty important skill moving forward. One more example just to make sure it works with negative numbers as well. For this one, we've got X squared because we always do. The second term is the addition of these two. So minus 6 plus minus 7 is minus 13X. And then we just multiply these. So minus 6 times minus 7 is plus 42. That is our correct answer, and that's all we've got to do. Thanks very much, guys, and I'll see you later. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Hope you didn't find that Algebra 2 boring. There are some free worksheets attached in the description if you're looking for some extra help, as well as the notes from the whiteboard. If you guys do get a second, please subscribe to the channel because there's going to be more maths content coming out every couple of days. Thanks so much, and hopefully you're back for some more quick math.